Welcome to this presentation on exact, non-singular black holes from a phantom dBi field as primordial dark matter. This research was conducted by Tausif Parvez et al. And published in 17th April 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Imagine the most extreme object in the universe, a black hole. For decades, our best theories, like Einstein's general relativity, have told us that at the very heart of every black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density, where all known laws of physics break down. This concept of infinity is a major headache for scientists, a fundamental flaw in our understanding of gravity. It's like trying to divide by zero in the cosmic equation. Pont, did you know that our own Milky Way galaxy might contain over 100 million black holes? If so many exist, understanding their true nature, especially what happens at their core, is one of the most profound challenges in modern physics. To tackle this problem, we developed a new way to think about matter under extreme conditions. Much like designing a smart suspension system for a car. Imagine a standard car suspension. It works fine for everyday bumps. But if you hit a massive pothole, it would break. Just as our standard theories of gravity break down at a black hole singularity, our approach uses a special phantom field like an advanced shock absorber. Instead of breaking, this smart suspension dynamically stiffens under extreme stress, pushing back against the immense gravitational forces. It has a built-in speed limit for how fast its internal components can react, preventing the collapse to an infinite point and creating a smooth, regular core instead. This isn't just an arbitrary fix, it's a specific, robust mechanism derived from fundamental physics. And the big win from our research is groundbreaking. We found the first exact solution for a black hole that completely avoids the singularity factorial. Instead of an infinite point, its core is a perfectly regular, finite sized region. But here's the truly exciting part: these new black holes don't just vanish when they evaporate. Unlike traditional black holes, which are thought to disappear entirely, ours leave behind tiny, stable remnants, each weighing about 1 gram, roughly the weight of paperclip. This means that a whole new class of light black holes, previously thought impossible, could exist and persist throughout the universe. So, how does this fit into our understanding of the universe today? This discovery fundamentally reshapes our view of black holes, showing they're not the infinitely destructive objects we once imagined. More profoundly, these stable 1 gram remnants offer a compelling new candidate for dark matter, the mysterious, invisible substance that makes up about 85% of the universe. For decades, scientists have been searching for dark matter, and our model provides a concrete, testable possibility. Furthermore, these hairy black holes, as we call them because of their unique field properties, produce distinctive gravitational wave signals. This means that next generation observatories like LESA or the Einstein telescope could actually detect these unique signatures, providing direct evidence for our theory and potentially unlocking some of the universe's deepest secrets. How will this research impact your daily life in the next 5 years? While you won't suddenly find a black hole in your backyard, the implications are profound. Within the next 5 years, this research could significantly advance our quest to understand dark matter. If these 1 gram remnants are indeed the universe's missing mass, it would revolutionize cosmology, leading to new scientific endeavors and potentially new technologies aimed at detecting or even harnessing this fundamental component of reality. 7. Imagine a universe where 85% of its mass is finally understood. This work brings us closer to a complete picture of the cosmos, satisfying humanity's deepest curiosity and laying the groundwork for unforeseen scientific and technological breakthroughs that inevitably arise from fundamental discoveries.